So, we're on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Anyways, it's kind of cold out here, actually. Not gonna lie. I think that's where we're headed, down that ways. But yeah, it's real nice. There's a bunch of cool stuff. Look, there's cars. They're in their cars.
I'm Sarah Johnson with Metro Traffic.
Hi, Sarah.
Your attention, please. For security reasons, we ask that passengers not leave any backpacks, luggage, packages, or other personal belongings
Space Needle.
unattended during this crossing. Upon arrival at our final destination, all passengers must disembark the vessel. In the event of a shipboard emergency, signals will be sounded on the ship's general alarm, followed by the same signals on the ship's whistle. If this should occur, you may be asked to proceed to one of the passenger assembly stations, which are located at both ends of the main passenger cabin. Please follow all instructions given by the crew.
Instructions.
Life jackets may be found underneath bench seats in the passenger cabin, in lockers on the sun deck.
Where's our hotel? There's our hotel, all the way over there, behind the crane.
On the car deck. To learn more about donning the life jackets or other shipboard emergency responses, ask any crew member or review the information at the passenger assembly stations. In accordance with state and federal laws, smoking is prohibited on board any Washington State ferry. As a Seattle area traffic reporter, I want to remind all drivers throughout the Puget Sound region, when going through permanent transportation work zones, slow down and give those folks a break. Thank you for your attention, and hope you enjoy your trip.
It's actually real nice out here. I like it.
Watch out for seagulls, too.
Oh no!
No. Dude, you guys are being idiots at one time.
Chips?
Vincent, Titanic.
No way!
Stop.
Hey! 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 Single poop! No! Run inside! Hi, Maddie!
Hi. Snapchat.
It's kind of cold. I'm gonna go back inside.
I was just coming out to you do not have your jacket on.
Oh, I'm not actually cold.
Are you?
Don't have your jacket on. Hang on.
It was real nice outside. It's nice and chilly. Hey!
No, don't worry.
Look, I'm on a boat!
Crazy.
What are we doing?
So here we are on the boat.
On our way to the
You're
summit.
wicked.
Yep,
Yes.
yep, that happened. You got it.
Perfect. Yeah.
What?
You gotta do it.
Do
You
what?
gotta wink. I winked.
Or that.
Or duck face.
You gotta wink.
Your turn.
Or do the kiss.
Yeah! It's great. Anyways.
Did you get me a bit to do in Titanic?
Say that again?
Did you get me a bit to do in Titanic?
Yes, I did.
I was like, Mr. Titanic, and he came over.
Titanic.
It's like, have you guys been on the Space Needle?
I went last year when I was here.
It's pretty cool.
It was,
Oh,
really,
I don't like the elevator.
it was okay,
Elevator's
but because it was super foggy, like
Yeah.
we really couldn't see it.
Oh, that's lame.
That was really nice.
It was pretty clear when I went up there. It was actually pretty sunny.
But it was fun. You should go to the Space Needle anyways, because it's historic. It's awesome.
I want to go on the.
Also, you have to go to
great wheel.
the Chihuli's Art Museum. That is really cool. If you've never been there, that place is really awesome. But yeah, we're on a ferry. I've never been on a ferry before.
Really?
Really?
It's fun. We ride it all the
been on
time.
a
You've
ferry?
never been on a ferry.
Nope. I think the best part
I've been
about
on
every
boats.
field trip is the
I've been on
ferry.
multiple types of boats. I've been on a cruise ship.
I've never been on a cruise.
Oh,
I went on a cruise ship.
But this is the first time I've been on like a mass transit ferry thing.
Whoa.
the best
Can you
part
document
about
every
every
part
field
about
trip is the ferry. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
By far. No matter what happens.
I think being on boats is just fun. Being on the ocean is just fun. Which is why One Piece is the greatest manga. No, it's not.
One Piece is
One Piece is great. I love that show so much.
I think the best part of Ferry Ride is at night. Where you can see the sunset.
Oh,
it's so pretty.
Getting the scheduler than that. No, this is a really useful
Anyways, I think I got enough. It's like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 11, 12, 13, 14. It's me. It's not like I know what time it is because it's on the front of the screen.
It's on the front of the screen.
I mean, it's not like it's 5:22, 23, 24, 25. You know, it's not like I know those things. Anyways,